This is the largest fish trap I have ever made. It's literally as tall as me. 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, it's peeling. That's my rod. That's a good fish, that's a good fish, that's a good fish. How deep is it right here? Because I can't feel bottom. Oh yeah. Gosh, it is coming down, Paul. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. We're both fresh out of the bed. I mean, we woke up about 30 minutes earlier than I did. We both have bed head.
Yeah, we woke up next to each other.
Today we're building the largest fish trap. I've done a lot of fish traps in my past. Pretty much known for those things, and this is going to be the biggest one I have ever made in my entire life. World's largest fish trap for the world's largest river monster. We're hitting the river today, the deadliest river in Texas.
Yeah, gang skirt.
To look for the large alligator gar, big soft-shell turtles, and other species that might swim into this net looking for a big old head of a carp. That's literally our bait that we're putting into this. Now, that's foreshadowing, very much so. So, first things first, we need to build the giant trap. This is the largest trap I've ever done, like I said, and it's all gonna be built out of PVC and rubber-covered chicken wire. So that's the game plan. I'm taking this inspiration from a creator I found on YouTube, and we're about to see how fast we can build this trap.
Pop it, lock it, drop it. Let's go.
All right, folks.
A little fresh one.
PVC.
That's what we need.
We need this in the side PVC that we have.
8 of them.
8 of these.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we just need zip ties and Chico.
Where is the...
I was good. I was just about to complete my sentence, say where is the chicken wire, right?
Where did that come from? This is what you needed?
Chicken wire.
Yeah, it's just
How'd that
absolutely
feel?
railed me.
3 feet by 25 feet. And hopefully we won't need more than 2 of these. If that's the case, we'll have to smallen our trap because there's only 2 left. Look good?
Time to trap a fish.
Let's do it. Last thing we need from here, zip ties. And that is everything. This entire trap, 160.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
We made it to the river. Well, we didn't make it to the river. We made it to where we're gonna get to the river. We have the John boat ratchet strapped to a 4-wheeler.
And then Brenton will be driving the 4-wheeler through the woods. Me and Jacob will be in the back of in the boat, and Jaquan will be on the back of this with Jaquan, with Brenton. Wow, that's a lot. We're getting to the river. Here's how it's gonna happen.
This 4-wheeler just rolls. All right, now we hop in and we go through.
Oh, it worked!
Okay, so this boat is supposed to go down that. Down that. Brenton, you're telling me this goes down that?
Yeah, let me cook.
Oh yeah. I guess it does work. I thought he was gonna ride it down, but he's gonna do it the smart way where we don't get hurt and we can actually still get on the river.
Everything we need to build the trap is inside the boat.
Oh God.
Oh, woo, our boat's in the water.
But yes, everything we need to build it. You can see the PVC, see our caging, everything is inside the vessel.
All right, folks, we made it onto the water, and our battery doesn't want to work. We've tried both trolling motors. We even came with an extra trolling motor. That doesn't want to work either. So, we're having a lot of boat issues. I feel like we always do.
Paul, we need you to paddle.
Sorry. I need to paddle with my PVC.
Look how close we are.
I love
The water's right there. I mean, it is 2 inches from going under the...
If that catches, bro, the whole thing just swung.
We're gone, bro.
Oh my goodness, the amount of work we just did to get onto this boat. We had to change the motor. That's a new motor. That's a totally different motor that was on the bank. That was CeeLo's old motor. We switched it, the new one off because the new one had a key and the key was not here. This one doesn't need a key, but we got it. And we're going north. I don't know what way that is, but we're going to catch big fish. All right, folks, we've made it to the bank. 3 things have happened since we've got to the bank. I've laid out our product, so we have everything we need to build the trap on the bank. We've rigged up our bait, which is a carp head. Carp is like the gar's favorite food here. That's their go-to, which is what we're gonna be putting inside the trap. We're gonna cut carp up and put that in the trap here in just a little bit, of course, once our trap is built. And then we cast our bait out, and we're actually, at the same time as having a trap out, we are fishing a little bit. So a little bit of best of both worlds here. We're gonna see if we can get any action. We need to build the trap, first and foremost.
So I just casted this rod out, and I'm over here looking at these tracks. Look at these animal tracks. So right here, we've got some, it looks to me like, and I'm almost 100% sure, that is a raccoon. There's a different track over here. Something big here. Not sure what that is. That's something bigger. That's maybe like a deer or something. And then over here, got a big old bird. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's a bird for sure.
I can't imagine how many animals live up in these woods right here. And they come down here for some water and food, and they go right back up. Alrighty folks, it's time. We built this trap. I'm gonna show you how it's done to now. I realize we have PVC glue, but I don't think this is gonna work because look at the edges.
That did not help whatsoever.
Of all of our PVC, so I don't think this is gonna be useful. Simply popping these on each corner of the long PVC.
This reminds me of an old school video.
Yeah, this really does bring me back to the old days, huh?
Yeah, it feels good. It's like the old days XL version.
So after you have all 4 of your posts with the corners on them, come over here and we take our skinnier posts, put these, that. And by the way, we pre-cut all of our PVC back at home before bringing it all onto the boat. 1, to save room, and 2, because that would have been a pain in the butt to do out here with measurements wise. So I think that dirt is actually gonna keep it.
I think that dirt's helping a lot. Dude, she's looking good. The background looks absolutely, it looks like we're in the Amazon again. I mean, the background is the most impeccable thing ever.
Amazon, the good old days.
That's my rod. Oh my gosh, it's peeling. That's my rod. That's a good fish, that's a good fish, that's a good fish, that's a good fish. That's a good fish.
That's my rod, folks.
All right, what I would do is,
Brenton, tell me what to do.
I would pull out a bunch of line, and then I would tighten it.
He's ripping.
Yeah, I would tighten it as fast as you can after you pull out a bunch. I'd go, because he will feel it. I got you. Now tighten that drag.
I can feel him eating it. I can feel him eating it.
Yeah.
That's gone.
That sucks.
That's gone.
Yeah, that sucks. South.
Oh.
Yeah. Is he running this way? Okay.
I'm just kidding. He's on.
No, he's not.
Oh! He's on!
I knew it. You're gonna have to loosen that a little bit. Loosen that. Oh! Let's back off.
I'm gonna have to.
Oh my gosh, look at it. She's coming together. A frame is coming together. Okay, I got you. I'll cook. Okay, got you.
Dude, fish trap.
Fish trap frame.
Frame is complete.
Dude, that fish trap's the size of you.
Look at the size difference.
Dude, it's huge. The fish trap, is bigger than you.
That is a literal 6-foot fish trap. Well, folks, that would have been so cool. Our trap is done. Check this thing out.
That's a big baby mama.
Look at the size of this thing.
That is huge.
So obviously I didn't want to bore you with wrapping this with the screen and then cutting zip ties. You guys know how that works. So essentially the trap is going to sit at the bottom of the lake just like this. There's the entrance, and this is going to be completely loaded with said carp. And let's just say this is the bait. We'll throw it in there like that, except for we're going to cut it up multiple pieces. The fish will come up to this and just go, dish. They're going to come to the point where they come in here. Yay! Feast, right? No! They're gonna be stuck in there because we're gonna pull the trap up and they have no way out. And that's exactly how it's essentially just like a crab trap.
Yep.
But we're trying to catch monster
These fish are so big that they barely fit in, so they can't really turn around.
Yes, and that's the goal here. This is a large trap. It is about 6 feet long by 3 feet wide and about 2 feet tall. So quite a large trap, and we're about to throw it in. I just gotta cut up some bait. All right, folks, just like that. 3 pieces of carp. Now I'm tying fishing line, thick braid. It's about 80-pound braid. Oh, we got another fish on.
Oh, that thing's cooking.
That thing's cooking. All right, this is the spool. We're gonna deal with that in a second.
Oh my God, oh good God, oh good gracious.
Come on, show him who's boss. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I got the camera,
Okay, there we go.
Brenton, double header, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is it. Ready right here.
All right, yeah.
Oh, this is the wrong way again.
Okay, I still have mine. I got one.
Oh, they're kind of like crossing paths.
I can't reel with this handle. Folks, I can't do this with this right hand.
I'm in the sticks right now.
I lost it. This is almost as if we're like professional fishermen.
Yeah, so professional. This fish is literally just sitting on here inside of a log.
Here we go.
This is on still.
Ugh. Oh my goodness, what a throw. All right, so once the PVC fills up with water, that'll sink.
You want to see what patience brings?
Patience Springs River Monsters.
Take a
3,
look- take a look at this.
2, 1. Breach the surface, you beast.
That is baby mama right there.
That's a good fish too.
Yeah.
Goodness. Holy smokes.
Gosh, all right. Oh my gosh, dude, he's so tired because he was in that
My
little
trap
log.
needs to have a rock in it.
Yeah, we need to go sink it out there really quick.
That didn't work.
This could fit in your trap, which is crazy. I'm not even kidding.
No, you are right.
This could
This
fit
is
in
not
your
even
trap.
6 feet.
No, this could fit in your trap. That's the thing though. This could fit, but imagine it trying to turn around. There's no way.
No.
It goes in, and it's like, yeah.
There it is, folks. The big old prehistoric alligator gar. Look at the teeth on that thing. Imagine that going in the trap.
All right. We're gonna try.
So alligator gar are one of the very few species that could just chill out of water. As crazy as it is that this fish is sitting here, we're just trying to get the hook out. Now we can get it back in the water, but this thing will live out of the water for quite some time. Nothing really to worry about there. We're gonna get him back in the water and on our way. Now we gotta figure out how to get my trap down. It won't sink. PVC is floating.
It's a beautiful, beautiful animal.
So cool.
Prehistoric, man. That is, how old is that fish? 50 years old?
Yeah, this is an old fish.
50-year-old fish, twice our age, that thing. There she goes. See you later.
She slapped.
Slapped the heck out of him. See you guys.
And how deep is it right here? Because I can't feel bottom. Right there is probably 30 or so.
We got about 2 more hours of fishing time, so let's hope something happens.
Oh, Paul, don't look like that. Don't look like that. Don't look like that. Look, because a good thing came out of today.
We didn't catch anything.
I know nothing happened. That was good.
But it does show that our videos are real.
That's true.
Unlike some other creators.
That we were just talking about that.
Should we shoot some shots?
Should we shoot some
Should we
shots?
shoot some shots?
Dude, a second ago I saw an axolotl swimming around.
No shot.
Yeah, I did.
No way. All right, anyway, there's only 2 baits left, so maybe an axolotl will grab the 3rd one. But we're gonna put this on the boat because we gotta hit a spot number 2 in the morning because we're catching something in this dang thing.
Yeah.
I didn't just build it for nothing. Before we go though, gonna take a nice good old bite of some zesty bites. My buddy old pal Brenton behind the camera here
No, I didn't.
has been working on this for over a year.
No, I didn't.
He's actually been working super hard on this candy, and I do have my own flavor dropping very soon. Sorry to break the news to you.
Oh my
folks.
god, you didn't break it. You didn't. That's gonna be cool.
I do.
It's the best flavor.
It is the best flavor
It
too.
is.
So be on the lookout for that. But if you want to get yourself some of the new zesty bites, they have this rainbow flavor. They have like a strawberry, which is my favorite. I think it's summerberry.
Yep.
Got that one locked down.
Locked
and
down.
then for my blue raspberry people, they have some of that too. But links down below, zestysnacks.com. Alrighty, folks, this is brilliant conditions here.
Hurricane is on the way.
Hurricane is on the way. We have another Hurricane Milton coming. West Coast just got smacked by one, and now the West Coast is getting actually hit by another one, and this one's actually supposed to come directly across the state, hitting us with about a Cat 1, which isn't the worst storm, but as you can see, we're gonna knock this fish trap out before it's too late. We started this video in Texas. Now, we're in Florida, and I rebuilt it at my house with black mesh. I think it's a little bit better, and I made the hole right here.
Oh, dude, I didn't even see that hole.
You see it?
Oh my god! Watch this. Ah!
This is our bait right here. The shrimp is gonna go inside.
Oh!
The shrimp will go in the trap, and then we'll see if we can catch anything here in Florida. From Texas and the deadliest river, trying to catch gar, which we didn't do, to now, we'll see if we can catch some reef fish in this thing, and maybe bring some back for the pond. It's great weather.
Great weather right now.
Great weather, brother. This is impeccable. I've never been here before. Usually we go on that side. We're obviously under the bridge now. Look at this.
Dude, this is the mama sauce.
Bro, there is most definitely big snook on this wall.
I didn't know this was here.
I did not know this was here. I've lived here for 15, 17, 18 years. Didn't know this was here. This is a beautiful wall though. I imagine picturing a little mullet up on that wall. You know? All right, shrimp going in. An entire bag of shrimp. Oh, there's a little more. Entire bag of shrimp is inside there now. Alrighty, folks. I've got 3 rocks in the trap. All I gotta do is pretty much fly it off the side of the seawall now, and it should sink. I also tied a rope to it, so we're good to go. have the bright line seeing 2 kids under a bridge in a tropical storm, putting a fish trap in the water. We could retitle this, Catching Fish in a Fish Trap in a Tropical Storm Trap.
World's largest fish trap via tropical storm.
Now that we have time to burn, we play coconut football. We used to play this in the Bahamas.
Oh, good God. Okay.
Oh, dude, I'm going.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, yeah. Take a look at that.
Ideally, if you have feet like us,
You don't feel that.
you don't even notice this going in
Yep.
till the next day.
And that's why you just run. Fully commit.
Gosh, and it's coming down, Paul.
It's raining, boys and girls, but it's time to check our trap.
Dude,
Look at the weather.
It is coming
In the
down.
last 20 minutes, it is literally tripled
It is a tropical storm.
a tropical storm. Here we go, let's see. You can still see some shrimp in there.
I see absolutely no
Nothing
fish.
at all. Nothing at all. Scott!
Oh my God!
Scott!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
It's Scott!
Wait!
There's a rock. Watch Scott, we gotta make sure the rock doesn't
Wait!
hit.
There's one fish!
Yeah,
That's it?
that's it.
Get him out! Come here, come here.
Get him, that's it.
I got you. I got you. Oh my God!
Yes!
Yeah!
If you guys don't remember, Scott the pufferfish has been an icon of this channel.
Scott es muy importante.
We usually catch him on the other side.
Hi, Bubba.
You know these are really good eating, but you have to watch what you eat because they have poison in them.
What do you mean good eating? How
People
did you
eat
even
these.
bring that? Don't bring that up around him.
Cover his ears. This trap literally just caught one fish and it was a pufferfish.
That may have taken like, it probably was only 30 minutes maybe.
Look at this. Look at his little fins. His little fins. Thank you for making this video. We're gonna go try to keep the entire farm safe now through this hurricane. As you can see, it is not good. No bueno outside.
No bueno.
How do you say outside?
Outside? Afuera?
Afuera.
Afuera.
No bueno afuera. See you later, amigo. God, what a legend. I love that fish. I can't believe we caught one with these holes like this. I need to go home and...
Oh my gosh, there could have been more in it.
Oh yeah, for sure. When I pull it out, they all go this way. They probably just came out the sides. Scott's just a little slow. Takes him a little bit to figure things out.
He's always been
So
slow.
wait a second. We need to redo this then. Not right now, but if you guys want to see part 2 of the world's largest fish trap.
Overnight, 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 overnight!
Yes.
Overnight!
If you guys want to see part 2 of the world's largest fish trap overnight here at the bridge, we'll come back to this location. We'll load this up with a bunch of different baits like ballyhoo, sardines, shrimp, everything. Just hit the like button. 20,000 likes, we'll come do it. And I'm actually gonna go home and zip tie all these little openings here that we probably could have lost some fish out of. We probably definitely lost. Like, look at that hole. Gosh dang it. That's rookie mistakes right there. But this is definitely gonna be used again. Be looking forward to it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We literally started in Texas on a river and we ended it here in Jupiter on the intercoastal catching reef fish. Well, we only caught Scott. In a tropical storm. Milton, you ain't got shit on us.
Yeah!
Love you.
Wait.
Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.